So in this question, we're given this shaded region, and we're told that it's the intersection of the graphs of x is less than or equal to 0, which would be here, all of that, and then y is greater than or equal to 0, which would be this portion here. And the third one is for this straight line here, and we have to identify that. So first is to find the equation of this line. We know that the y-intercept is -1, so if I'm going to start with the standard form y equal to mx plus b. B is -1, and we just have to find the slope. We know that its x-intercept is -2, so it goes through -2, 0. So when x is -2, y is 0. So that means -2m is 1. I just moved that over, which means m is -half. So the equation is y is equal to -half x minus 1. That's the equation of this line. Now the line divides the plane into two halves. One where it's going to be greater than or equal to, and the other one would be less than. So depending on whether the line is included or not. And in this case, if you look at the answer choices, they have all equal, so which means the line is included. So if to identify which section represents this of the two halves, we use the origin. So if we replace that y and x with 0, we get is 0 greater than or equal to -1? Say yes. So the point that, which means that this half plane, because it contains the point 0, 0, represents this inequality, and that's the part we're looking at, the intersection, because once we take into account x is less than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0, we want this portion that would then give us the shaded region. So the answer would be y is greater than or equal to -half x minus 1, which is same as answer choice D.